Know that I am so proud to have received the endorsement of the NC State AFL-CIO in my bid to keep my seat this year and to spark a movement to win back our courts for justice. Our state Supreme Court makes critical decisions that affect our families and communities every day. In interpreting our laws and Constitution, our court may have the final say on whether our public schools get funded, whether our voting maps are fair, and whether we have access to much needed reproductive health care. When workers get hurt on the job and need relief, they come to the courts, and their cases can be appealed to the North Carolina Supreme Court. That's why we need people on the bench who share our values and are committed to upholding our state and federal constitutions. We need justices who will prioritize people over power and don't unduly favor business interests and corporations over everyday people. As a former civil rights attorney, I am committed to acting with empathy, integrity, and transparency on the bench. I treat every person who comes before me in the court with dignity and respect. Right now, our Supreme Court has a conservative majority, but we have a plan to win back our courts by 2028, and I know that AFL-CIO members like a plan. So here it is. First, we need to keep my seat on the court this year. That means voters across our state need to know that they can protect their own rights and freedoms by voting for our Democratic judges. So thank you for the work that you're doing to get the word out. Second, we need to make sure that the incredible Justice Anita Earls keeps her seat on the Supreme Court in 2026. Then, in 2028, we need to flip at least 2 seats on the court, which is why we're working so hard to build a leadership pipeline in our judicial system to lift up folks who share our values. I am so grateful for all the work y'all are doing to get out the vote this year, knocking on doors, making calls, talking with your friends. It will all make a huge difference in ensuring that we have a judicial system that is working for all North Carolinians. Thank you for your support, and let's go win.
So please talk to your members about how important this race is and get out the word about Allison